Hey, it's Ryan from Combat Off-Road. Got some exciting news. We launched a raw version of our taillight. So every model, this one particular is going to be your JK raw. It's going to be 15-1150. Our original black powder coat is 15-1050. So this is going to fit your 07 to 18 JK. I'm going to unbox this for you right now. You get to the exciting parts because everyone wants to see. So super cool. Laser etched logo. All raw aluminum. If you didn't know, our taillights are all stamped aluminum, so now you know for sure. So now you can do whatever you want. You can powder coat this. You can leave it like this, just clear it. You can spray paint it. You can paint it at a body shop, color match, whatever you want to do, it's ready to go. Our lights are modular, so don't worry, you can pop these all in and out. You can pop the gasket, the lamp, the side markers, everything can be done. The only thing you're going to sacrifice is a single zip tie. Same OEM harness, everything's ready to go. So when you get here, that's the JK behind us, and that's our original 15-1050, but that's what you get. This is also aluminum. Don't be fooled because it looks so good, but that's the raw version. I'm going to show you what you get inside the box. So you're going to get your black stainless steel screws to remount, so you don't have to use your old stuff. This is going to be your gasket material. So once you paint it or powder coat it or do whatever you want, change the color, or even before you install it raw, you're just going to peel back the adhesive and you're going to plop it on the perimeter. So it's ready to go after paint. You're obviously going to get your other tail light, and you're getting your other perimeter gasket. And that's about it. Same warranty, lifetime warranty. We're the only guys that do that for you. Everything fits the same exact every single time. Get the fun keepsake box if you want to like store stuff in it. But yeah, that's it. Raw, ready to go. Do it raw.